aware of the term property right? Well, you must have heard about it in the environmental economics concepts. So, the property rights signify the right to put resources to certain uses so that it could prevent others from using the resources and sell the resources. Resources can be interpreted broadly and can include both man made goods and natural assets such as land, forest, and fisheries. Property rights can be held by an individual, by the state, or in common by a limited and identifiable group of people. Property rights to any produced resources like your house or your car and other vehicles are usually well defined. However, this is not always the case of natural assets. An absence of property rights to an environmental asset means there is open access to the natural resource. This often leads to overexploitation of the resource, sometimes resulting in the tragedy of commons whereby the asset is degraded or depleted due to the uncontrollable access. The concept of property rights was brought in by the economist Ronald Coase and in particular is important to the proper functioning of markets and to the efficient management of environmental resources. For example, consider the problem of air pollution. This can be considered as a problem of incomplete property rights, which means although the necessity for clean air exists, however, rights to clean air do not exist. We can also consider the problem of ill-defined property rights to the land. In this case, the user of the land has no incentive either to invest in improving the land or to use the land sustainably. So you will find illegal landfills, dumping of garbage, etc. on seemingly free piece of land where suitable property rights and penalties are not put. Hence, property rights are very important from an economic as well as environmental point of view.